Hey everyone, welcome back to How Logical YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Zengo wallet app that uses advanced cryptography called multi-party computation to safeguard your wallet without requiring a seed phrase or private key. This technology is used by institutions to safeguard billions of dollars worth of crypto. So, first of all, you need to search for Zengo wallet in App Store or Play Store. After that, you will be able to see an app that pops out at top, which is the Zengo Wallet app. It's distinguishable by its logo, which features the letter Z, and is developed by Zengo Limited. And don't forget, you'll find download option on the right side. Just click on it and the download will begin automatically. And finally, once the download gets complete, click to open and you will be able to access it. So this is how you can download Zengo Wallet app on your smartphone. If you encounter any issue during the download process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.